In this video, I'm going to show you how to save WhatsApp audio to Music Library. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your WhatsApp application. Now select the chat you want to get the audio from. So as you can see right here, I just sent an audio message. So this works whether you sent the audio message or your friend sent the audio message. So what you want to do is simply press and hold on the audio message. Now tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select share. So now from here, you can share it and just scroll to the right and tap on more. Now from here, simply share the audio to your file manager. So from here, just select where you want to save it. Choose downloads and tap on save. So that will be automatically be added to your music library. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.